Hi, this is Will Patterson, Louisville, Kentucky living. Today we're coming to you from Sanctuary Falls. It's located right off of Old Henry, just past the YMCA in Norton's Commons. We have some wonderful new homes to show you out here with Elite Homes. We're going to start doing a series with Elite. And today I'm with Gretchen Praise, and she's going to give us some insight on Elite Homes right now, and then we'll take a tour of the Jackson model.
So we are in our Sanctuary Falls neighborhood. The Jackson model is one of 8 different models that we build on our Oldham County side of the neighborhood. And with this neighborhood, the line between Oldham and Jefferson County runs through it. So we do have availability in both counties for someone who's looking to be close to all the great amenities that you see out on this end of Brownsboro, but still wanting to be a little bit removed from being in the middle of everything at the same time. The Jackson's probably our most popular of our 2-story plans, and when we go inside and walk through, you'll see exactly why that is.
Sounds wonderful. So I think earlier I said Old Henry. This is Brownsboro, and she corrected me. But as you can see here, we have a fantastic exterior to this house. Wonderful landscaping. It has the rock accents with the rock on the porch. And then we have brick, and then we have everything on it is also maintenance free on the outside. So it's got some really nice features out here, along with the expansive porch there with the seating. And then we have a great entryway with the wood doors, great big windows on those doors. Can you tell us a little bit more about some of the features that are on the front of the house here?
Absolutely. So this home has one of our upgraded exterior elevations for it. So this is our elevation C, where we have the beautiful stone facade on the front of the garage and the nice front porch space. Each of our floor plans will have some different options as far as those different facades, and our in-house design center will have a multitude of brick, stone, and siding colors. So one of the things we love to focus on is the quality of materials that we use in our homes. So throughout the neighborhood, you'll see that it's a full brick wrap around the house, and the siding that we feature, it is hardy board. It's not going to be a vinyl siding. So we want to make sure that we're using quality materials that are built to last for you to enjoy your home for the future as well, and not have those concerns about having to replace things just, a few years down the line.
Keep what's supposed to be outside, and inside,
Exactly.
Great.
Absolutely.
All right, let's go ahead and walk up the stairs here, and we'll show these fantastic front doors. And as you can see, it's got a frame all the way around. You have the arched area up there. These really nice bubble glass windows. I just love this entryway. Go ahead and step inside here.
Cool.
For this model, we wanted to showcase a lot of our beautiful upgrade options that we offer at our design center, and we do like to treat our models as an extension of our design center, so people can see some of those different features that we have in a full scale, rather than just looking at some of the small samples. It makes it a lot easier to visualize.
You got that hands-on touch feel
Yes.
instead of just looking at it from a 2-dimensional picture.
Absolutely. So with this floor plan, the Jackson, it's definitely one of our most popular, and we see it built quite a few times throughout the neighborhood. The flow of this home is what really draws a lot of people to it coming in. Obviously, we have the nice office space where you can look out past the front porch, and the home opens and will lead straight into the open concept living area.
And then you've got these nice double doors here.
French doors, yes. So we added the French doors on here. If someone would prefer to use this as, a music room and have a piano in here and keep it nice and open, that's always an option as well. And that's the beauty of building, being able to make those choices to design the home to fit your needs.
Exactly. Great. Then we have our powder room here on the first floor. And then we also have our coat closet right there in the entryway. And then we come right back into the living quarters here on the first floor. Give us some details on this area, and then we'll go over to the kitchen area.
Absolutely. So in our living room here, we have a raised 10-foot ceiling height. In the first floor, the rest of the ceilings are going to be a standard height of 9 feet. And we opted to add in our beautiful coffered ceiling effect to just create a little bit of accent within that space. One of the lovely things about Sanctuary Falls is that there are quite a few features that we include here in this neighborhood For example, the 6-foot wide fireplace will be a standard feature on all of my floor plans. So there are some nice things that you don't even have to worry about adding in.
Great.
For us too.
And are all the fireplaces typically gas, or
They are all natural gas fireplaces, so gas will already be plumbed to the home, and we do a natural gas furnace as well. So if someone wanted to add something like a gas line outside for an outdoor kitchen or grill in the future, that's very easy for us to accommodate, as well as adding gas in the kitchen, since that's something a lot of people are on the hunt for.
Nice feature. And then we have these wonderful windows across the back.
Yes.
Kind of light.
Yes, this one definitely has the natural light as a big draw for the window setup in here. To give that a little extra height, we did add the transom windows at the top, and so that's a pretty common feature I see a lot of people opt to do on their homes as well.
Great, I love that feature. And then let's go into this fantastic kitchen. I love that rainfall countertop there on the island.
Yes, so with this one we opted to do our Cambria quartz countertops, and with those we do offer the option of taking the countertop edge down the side of the island and doing the waterfall. One of the big draws for this floor plan is the large kitchen and the oversized island that comes with it. With this kitchen as well, we decided to upgrade this one to kind of our top tier package that we do as far as our appliances. So we have our double ovens built into the wall here, and then our microwave has moved over and is built in above our little coffee bar station that we have set up.
So I love this little area right here. Put your coffee on, it's all out of the way. You still have your workspace over here.
Yes, plenty of room for entertaining and prepping. And
right. And then you could put a whole meal down through here. So.
Yes.
And then you have a really nice area over here that you can put a lot of people at that table with some extra chairs and stuff. And then it just opens right out to the backyard, which is a nice feature. And then you have the covered patio over there as well.
Yes, we did add the covered porch on the back of this one, so that does extend that outdoor living space, which is great. And then if someone would prefer to be able to allow more light in, they wouldn't have to add the covered area, so there would be less overhang over the windows that way too. But it's definitely a personal preference on how you would want that set up.
Love that. So is this the standard lighting, or is this an upgrade in the lighting feature for this?
So we did upgrade some of the lighting fixtures throughout. We added the pendants over the island and featured one of our upgraded dining room lights, added a fixture in the great room, and we have quite a few options as far as lighting goes at our design center. So there are plenty of styles to choose from depending on what your taste is and what you prefer.
Okay, great. And that would be something we could do in another video, and just doing a whole thing on the design studio.
Absolutely.
That way everybody have an idea of some availability and stuff like that.
Yes.
But this model home really features everything, so that's really great.
Absolutely.
And then back here we have the drop zone coming in off the garage.
And we have our nice walk-in pantry coming
Walk-in pantry.
off the kitchen.
And then our laundry room that's right here off the garage. Nice and roomy and not cramped.
Yes. And in this laundry room, we opted to do the laundry sink in here. But if someone didn't need a sink, we could have a broom closet there instead for some additional storage. We know storage is something that pretty much everyone is always looking for more of.
Yeah. And then we have our garage here, Charles' office, since this is a model home, but it can kind of give you a little bit of an idea of the width of the room there.
And this would be our 2-car garage space, but we can easily accommodate a 3-car garage with any of our floor plans. One of the great things with Sanctuary Falls is that all of my lots on our Oldham County portion of the neighborhood are all set up as side entry lots. So all the homes will automatically include a side entry garage, which definitely makes accommodating that third bay a lot easier for people who need that additional garage space. Don't have to do that double,
triple driveway.
Yes, exactly.
Here
is another coat closet.
More storage and stuff coming in from the drop zone area. Of course, you've got some records in here, but
yes.
All right, let's go over and check out this first floor master that's on here. And then, are these floors an upgrade, or are they?
These are. So these are an example of our engineered hardwood that we offer at our design center. The design center has an abundance of different types of options and materials to choose from. For our flooring options, we would include a luxury vinyl plank. Is what we would start with. We also have a new product called RevWood. It's a laminated wood, so it has an engineered wood base and a laminated finish on top, and that is pretty comparable to an LVP, where it's going to look like wood. It's very water and scratch resistant, so that one's also very popular as well. So that gives a pretty wide breadth of options that would be included.
Gotcha.
Too. And for each of those, we have multiple levels, and each level has multiple colors. So there's a lot of choice to personalize your home.
This is like a palette that you all have chosen, but there's
Yes.
tons of different color palettes that you can choose.
Yes, absolutely. So this particular floor is one of our level 4 of our engineered hardwood. So this is kind of the top tier that we offer on that. But for the engineered hardwood, there are 4 levels to choose from, and each level has multiple options within it. So you will not be lacking for options at the design center.
Sounds great. Let's hit in here.